7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Raffle. Now a lot of people will say that's stupid, but the only thing is I like the way JD did it. I think it was the most fair way, where they did a raffle, and if you didn't collect by 2 p.m, they were yours.
Yeah, and then there was a camp as well. Like,
you see, yeah, so it gave the fair element of the raffle, and if you didn't collect by 2 p.m, that's your own fault. If you won a raffle and didn't collect, that's your own bad.
Yeah.
I don't think it is fair that people do 30-hour campouts. Brown Thomas tried to do a thing where you can only camp out an hour before. That doesn't make sense. It's not going to happen.
What happened before 8 a.m? Were people just hanging around here?
We were just hanging outside. We were literally right across the street. We were just hanging outside there, and
just
then
kind of waiting to walk over, like.
Exactly. I don't know. I got my pair. I helped along some people. I made sure everyone who wanted their pair got their pair.
Yeah.
No one was complaining. I haven't seen any complaints thus far, and I've been outside the shop for about half an hour now.
Yeah.
So I don't think there is anything to complain about.
Are you gonna wear them or?
Yeah. You see, I like the blushes and I like the black ones. I liked the fact that they're so unusual. 700s are quite unusual compared to 350 V2s.
Yeah.
Everyone's sick of seeing 350 V2s. I wear these shoes.
Exactly.
People are wondering what they are. Some people don't even believe they're Yeezys, and that's what I love about them. They're unusual. And the thing is, it's a race to the bottom by the looks of things for selling shoes at the moment. Like, it used to be like, oh yeah, you know, whoever can get the highest retail price, which the Witherspoons was. But now at the moment, like with the Butters and stuff like that, it's just been going down.
Yeah.
Like, someone offers 260 for a pair, then someone offers 250, 240, 230.
Exactly, yeah.
Soon enough it's going to be at retail, and when that hits retail, people are just going to go, here, the next 350 V2 that comes out, I'm not going to buy. So simple as.